increase of crime here in Hamilton. No, I bought this today, and this I bought. And one of those Chinese import. I don't know how good this is, how well it's gonna work, but I'm gonna unpack this here on YouTube. So if you need to get one, you might want to find out. But unfortunately, this was the last one he has in stock. Of course, you need one of these to do it, of course. You need one of these. Hold up it too much. Come on there, knife. Ah. That's better. Need one of these because I have to cut all this open here. We can do it with a pair of scissors, but I'd rather do it with this. Here we go. Let's cut something open today. Come on, knife. Oh. I hate these canned cell packaging. It's a waste of time. Good, got it. Okay, let's see what goodies they pack in there. Clam cell packaging here. Let's see what goodies they got here. Well, I'm holding a phone while I'm doing this. It's not the best thing for me to do. And I see got door contacts here. I stick on some nice, lovely little screws. Phillips heads, of course. I ain't gonna do this, but I'm gonna some paper here, owner's manual, and this itself. Now, I hadn't really opened this yet or tried to, but who knows? Maybe. Door contact switch, another contact switch. Yeah. I have to get this done. I'll get this out of here. Take the paper out now. I'm gonna have to set this up. I have to read how to program it and all that. It needs to be programmed before I'm gonna put it on and program it. Basically, but make sure it's working now. You know, this is called built by a company called CM, called custom made. Security Secure, burglar alarm, but it's 110 decibels. This is enough to scare any burglar away in my house. They've been harassed of burglary due to COVID-19 virus. Well, I'm gonna get protecting myself. So, here we go. I'm gonna put a burglar alarm in today and how to do it. And this is what it is. Features easy to install with no wiring required. Built-in 110 decibel alarm, magnetic sound sensor technology, 3-instant delay time, programmable security code with up to 12 digits, second one entry alarm with delay with alert beep tones. Whoa. And you can get this for a nice, very low price. You might buy it on, or you may find this at your local hardware store, where you buy stuff like this. Of course, made in China. Made in the motherland of China. Well, Eric always say this with main to automotive. It's made in the motherland, China. Well, let's see. Yep, made in the motherland of China. China, made in motherland. Yeah, so, vlog is over.